this is Raman Gill. Welcome to episode 34 of the 10,000 Trades Show, where we are mastering trading and creating excellence through the deliberate practice and analysis of 10,000 trades. In this episode, like I mentioned before, another reversal pattern. This is the opposite of what we looked at in the last episode. This is the evening star pattern. Evening star pattern is a bearish pattern. It sets up at the top of an uptrend. And now we are looking for trend to change and for the price to move down. We'll take a look at how to identify this trade pattern, where to place your stop loss, where to get into the trade, and where to exit the trade with a profit. Let's go on to the charts now.
We're looking at the evening star trade setup here. This is Aussie US dollar 1 hour chart. An evening star is a reversal formation, and generally we see a bullish candle and then some sort of a doji in the middle and a bearish candle. And this is our evening star pattern here. Evening star is a bearish reversal pattern, so it's generally formed at the top of an uptrend. In this case, we will wait for the pattern to set up and then we'll look for a 50% pullback here and enter the trade short. Our stop loss would go above the pin here, making sure we give it some room to breathe. And then we look for price to continue on. Here we see that the price is holding below this support and resistance level, and that's a key thing to stay in the trade. And here we get another evening star formation here. So we stay in the trade, and as long as the price keeps holding below the previous support and resistance level, we can stay in the trade. So here looks like price has hit our support and resistance level. So this is a daily pivot, the green line here, and now we get an engulfing candle. So you can either exit the trade here, or you can think to yourself that the price is holding below this support and resistance level here, so you want to stay in the trade. And then as you can see, price goes one step lower and goes to our S1 level for our pivot point, and here it tries to go through. This is several hours of price action and doesn't go through, and finally we can exit the trade here. For me, I just like to exit the trade here because we do have multiple pins here and price isn't really moving, so might as well get out of the trade here. If you look at our pips here from entry to exit, we have 85 pips in the trade, which would mean $850 when trading one standard lot. So just to recap, evening star is a reversal formation. It's a bearish reversal formation and generally formed at the top of an uptrend. It signals that the price is likely to move to the downside now. So once we see the pattern set up, we look for a 50% pullback. Generally, it will come and test the pin here, so we can enter our trade short here. So we sell, and our stop loss goes above the pin here, and we continue on with the trade as long as it stays below the previous support and resistance levels. And when it finally hits our support level here, this comes the daily pivot and its previous support and resistance area here as well, it just seems to stall for several hours, and this is the time to exit the trade. From entry to exit here, we have 85 pips in the trade, which means $850 when trading one standard lot. If you'd like to learn more profitable Forex trading strategies like this one, I invite you to visit my course at tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course. In the course, I will show you how to read the candlesticks and different chart patterns. We'll do a deep dive into technical analysis, and I will show you how to read the charts properly, what trade setups you're looking for, and how do we trade these setups properly. I will also show you what are the important fundamental things that you need to pay attention to, how the different fundamental factors drive market price. I will also share with you the trading strategies that I personally use that I have found to be the most profitable. We'll also talk about trade management and how to manage your account and manage your risk so that you become a profitable trader. I will also show you tons of examples that you can go and check out so that you are able to see these trades set up in the live markets as well. As a bonus, you will get access to my pivot point indicator. If you have watched any of my videos, you know I really love trading the pivot points, so you will receive that as a special bonus. The price of the course is $497. To sign up for it, please go to tradingwithvenus.com/Forex course.
Thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more episodes like this, you know the drill. Like, comment, and subscribe below. I hope you enjoyed the trade today, and I'll be back with another great trade setup in the next episode.